Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. See students, factors of that affect the rate of chemical reaction are as follows. First one, nature of reactant. Second one, size of the particle of reactant. Third, concentration of the reactant. And the fourth, temperature of reaction. And the last is catalyst. As we all know students, the rate of reaction which helps us to increase the following rate of the chemical reaction. Whether it will be increases or decreases, it doesn't matter. Some of reactions are like that. Those reactions are take lots of a time. Some of quick reactions are there. Some of long duration reactions are there. So on the basis of this, we further classified into these groups or the factors that increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction as per the requirement are depend on these 5 factors. So in that, first we are going to discuss about rate of reaction, in that nature of reactant. See student, let us see the reaction of an metal aluminium and zinc with a dilute hydrochloric acid. On the reaction of both aluminium and zinc, will dilute hydrochloric acid H2 gas is liberated and water soluble salt of these metal are formed. However, the reaction of aluminium metal take place faster as compared to zinc metal. The nature of the metal is responsible for these differences. Aluminium is more reactive than that of zinc, as we know, that is, reactivity of aluminium is more as compared to zinc. So in order to that, aluminium reacts so quickly than that of a zinc. Therefore, the rate of reaction of aluminium with hydrochloric acid is higher than that of zinc. Nature of reactivity of reactant influence the rate of chemical reaction. We are going to learn about the reactivity of metals on the basis of this particular figure, or in the next chapter, that is metallurgy. Before that, nature of reactant was an important thing. Because of that only we can clearly instructed that is, when the particle is reacted or when the particles start performing their reaction, at that time whatever the nature of that constituent particle consists, the it is effect to the rate of reaction. सी स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मल भी देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि आपने पेट्रोल लिया है एंड केरोसिन ऑयल लिया है, अगर वहाँ पे हम लोग इन दोनों को आग के कांटेक्ट में लाते हैं तो हम लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि पेट्रोल जो है इजीली फायर कैच कर लेगा रेस्ट ऑफ केरोसिन. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि पेट्रोल जो है मोर रिएक्टिव है देन दैट ऑफ आपके केरोसिन से. सो दैट इज़ वाई केरोसिन जो होता है वो लेस रिएक्टिव है एज कंपेयर टू पेट्रोल. सो that is why it is totally dependent on the rate of, that is, nature of the reactant. Now second one, that is size of particle of reactant. You have found that when CO2 offensively is formed slowly with the piece of shahabada tiles while at the faster speed with the powder. The above observation indicates that the rate of reaction depends on the size of particle of the reactant taking part in the reaction. Similar, the size of reactant particle higher is the rate of the reaction. See बच्चों देखो, अगर आपने हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड मतलब CO2 को ऑब्जर्व करना है तो आपने हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को शाहबदा टाइल्स के ऊपर डालना है. आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो कि उसमें से CO2 रिलीज़ होगा, लेकिन शाहबदा टाइल्स के टुकड़ों की जगह पर अगर आपने शाहबदा टाइल्स का पाउडर यूज़ किया है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा जो है CO2 जल्दी से जल्दी मिल जाएगा. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर हम लोग ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं, अगर हमने 10 लीटर H2O लिया है एक बीकर में और एक बीकर में सिर्फ 1 लीटर H2O लिया है, both are the separate beakers we have using for taking H2O. So we are clearly seen that H2O start evaporated so quickly in the first, that is 1 liter and the rest 10 liter is afterwards, or after covering some time, it will be get evaporated. So which means it is also dependent on the size of an substances or that reactant. Next one, that is concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant is nothing but the, that is, in that what we can say, see, let us consider the reaction of dilute and concentrated hydrochloric acid with CaCO3 powder. We are clearly seen that HCl reacts slowly with CaCO3 and thereby CaCO3 disappears slowly and CO2 also liberates slowly. On the other hand, the reaction with the concentrated HCl take place rapidly and CaCO3 disappears fast. Concentrated acid react faster than dilute acid, which means the rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of the reactant. For example, what we can see students, if we have a petrol in the both forms, that is in the pure form also and impure form also, which is dissolved in means to make petrol impure, we add ethanol to it. जो आजकल हम लोग पेट्रोल पंप्स पे पेट्रोल बाय करते हैं उसमें इथेनॉल मिलाया होता है. आप दो पेट्रोल ले सकते हो. जो एरोप्लेन में यूज़ होता है वाइट पेट्रोल वो एक ले सकते हो, एंड सेकेंड जो नॉर्मल हमारे गाड़ियों में यूज़ होता है वो एक पेट्रोल ले सकते हो. आप क्लियरली ये बात देख सकते हो, अगर आपने अपनी गाड़ियों में वाइट पेट्रोल को अगर ऐड कर दिया तो आपकी गाड़ियाँ ज़्यादा एक्टिवली वर्क करेगी, उसका पिकअप बढ़ जाएगा, उसका मेंटेनेंस कम हो जाएगा, उसके अंदर जो कोई भी मतलब पुर्जे ख़राब होने के चांसेस है वो भी मतलब ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ प्योरिटी. सो कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एंड डाइल्यूट हैज़ द बोथ far difference than that of each other. Concentrated has more H plus ion while dilute has less H plus ion. That is why concentrated act so rapidly than that of dilute. Next, that is last one, that is fourth one, that is temperature. So how the rate of reaction is depend on temperature. While studying decomposition reaction, we have carried out decomposition of limestone. In this activity, the lime water does not turn milky. Therefore, heat the limestone because of the zero rate of reaction. From this, we learned that the rate of reaction increases on increase in the temperature. If we increase the temperature, the rate of reaction must be increases. And if we decrease the reaction, so rate of reaction also decreases. And the last but not the least is catalyst. Student, what is meant by catalyst? So, on the heating potassium chloride KClO3 decomposed slowly, the reactions is like that. 2 KClO3 gives 2 KCl plus 3 molecules of oxygen is liberated. The rate of above reaction neither increases by reducing the particle size nor be increases the reaction temperature. However, KClO3 decompose rapidly in the presence of manganese dioxide MnO2 to liberate O2 gas. Now chemical changes take place in MnO2 in the reaction. The substance in whose presence the rate of chemical reaction changes without causing any chemical changes to it is called as catalyst. Reaction का rate increase होता है but उसके अंदर सब्सटेंस ऐड करने की वजह से केमिकली इक्वेशन के ऊपर कोई चेंजेस नहीं आते हैं, ऐसे सब्सटेंस को, ऐसे रिएक्शन को कैटलिस्ट कहा जाता है. ये जो फैक्टर्स है, ये सारे फैक्टर्स हम लोगों को रिएक्शन के बारे में दिखाते हैं. सम इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट द रिएक्शंस. सी स्टूडेंट्स, one or more chemical reactions take place during every chemical change. Some chemical reaction occur at fast speed whereas some occurs at slow speed. Strong acid and strong base react instantaneously. In our body, enzyme increase the rate of physiological reactions. Vegetable cook quickly on oil rather than of water. The chemical reaction are profitable in the chemical factories in their rate is fast. The rate of chemical reaction is important for environmental point of view as well. The ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere protect the life of Earth from the ultraviolet rays, which are directly transmitted from the sun to the Earth. The process of depletion or maintenance of these layers depend upon the rate of production or destruction of ozone molecule. These are some interesting facts about some chemical reactions or the rate of chemical reaction. On the screen you are seeing this table, so you must have to write down this table in your notebook, and you have to copy this table as well. Students, I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have any doubt regarding to this phenomenon, you can ask me in the comment box which is given below. If you like this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After subscription, you'll get a notification. Whenever I'll upload the video, you get that notification. With the help of that notification, you'll see the entire video. So you never miss any update. I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. Thank you once again to watch my video. Thank you.